Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change always on display clock style in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. If you lock your screen, if you have enabled always on display, there will be a there will be clock information. Okay, see here. This is clock information. So if you would like to change this clock style, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to lock screen and wallpaper and click on always on display. And here click on off screen styles. And by default it is set to this style. Okay. If you would like to change to other style, yes, you can select from the variety of options here. Okay. I select this one. Okay, and here lot of varieties available. I select this one finally and click on apply. Yes, this is now applied to always on display. See the changes. See here. Okay, so in this way you can easily choose any clock style to be displayed over always on display. Again I go to the same settings, lock screen and wallpaper, and click on always on display and click on off screen style. There are several styles available. I have selected this one as of now and click on apply and see the changes. Yes, if you would like to bring back a default clock, go to the same settings and select this digital clock. This is default one. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.